Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include leather seats, steering wheel controls, voice-activated command system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system. You are going to love 2012 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: chrome wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks. Come see the car for yourself.